Alright, in this session, I'll be putting you through the process of installing a V380 PTZ solar camera. Alright, this is a newly purchased camera, as you can see. So I'll be unboxing the camera right away in your presence. So this is the camera unboxed. The first thing here is the panel, the solar panel for the camera. As you can see, we have the solar panel. Okay, so now to the big man, the main, which is the camera itself. Okay, so as you can see, we have the PTZ solar camera. You see it go rotates up and down, then you understand it can rotate 60 way. You see. Okay, now let's look into some of the features it has. It has the antenna, it's a 4G camera antenna. So they have the input ports, as you can see. You see clearly. So the input port is where the panel cord will be entering. So you have the panel cord will be entering this space. Alright, and you see the static phase and the mobile phase, the one that is rotating. Alright, then into this, can you zoom in? So as you can see, we have the space for a memory card, then we have the space for SIM card beneath, and we have a power button. It's very small, tiny in it. Alright, the first thing is let's get the 4G SIM card as we have here. Then let's get a memory card. I'm using a 64 gig memory card for this camera. Okay, let me quickly unbox it. Okay, so now I have the SIM card and the memory card. The SIM card must be a 4G registered SIM card that is having data on it. Okay, let's fix the SIM card first. The major surface of the SIM card must be rightly positioned. So as you can see, the panel is down, is beneath. So the surface must actually enter it in this way. I'll be fixing it this way. I'll move it closer. Okay, zoom in. So I'm trying to fix the SIM card to the SIM card port. Okay. But this thing is quite bad. So I'm trying to fix the SIM card. Then fixed. The SIM card fixed. Alright, let's fix the memory card. The same thing applies to the memory card. I'm fixing the memory card as well. You ensure that this surface is actually facing the panel. We have the panel down, so you fix the memory card as well. Okay, hope you are getting it. Then you clip it. Perfect. So we are done with that. The next stage is this. We have different cameras. We have the U-Box app. We have the IC. We have this is V380. Yes, the V380. So you can scan this barcode to download the app, or you actually search V380 Pro. Let me check that on your phone. So on the mobile phone, you see this app with this logo. We have the V380. Can you see the V380? So download it. So you can bring camera nearer. So once you download it, let's open the camera. So the first thing it will tell you to do is to register. So when you register with your mail, and a message will be sent to your mail to verify the code. Once you receive the message in your mail, you log in with the details given to you. To ask for your email, then your password. After doing that, you log in and it take you to this page. So I will be showing the next process after successfully. So having downloaded the app, you register and the message will be sent to your mail, and from the mail you'll be given a digit which you'll be logging in with. Then you set your password. So this user has set up the app, logged in, and it's showing this page at the moment. So the next thing is, okay, we have the app on. So let's see the camera. You insert the charging ports. This is the charging port. You insert the USB for the charging. But before that, this thing has a switch. We have the on and off switch. You push it to the on, then you insert the charging. Okay.
Camera is starting. Please wait.
Are you there? So says camera is starting, please wait. So
Network connected.
very good. Can you hear that? Network connected. So the camera is on. You can see we have a yellowish light.
Yeah.
Now, meaning that the camera has sensed the SIM card and it has sensed network. If it's showing red light, it means there is issue, either network issue. It's likely the SIM card is not activated, or something is wrong with it, or there's no sufficient on it. If it's showing red light, it must actually show this yellowish light for it to be connected. So this one actually came up itself. At times, if it didn't come up, there's a reset button here. Reset button here. This mini button here, which you can use maybe a screwdriver on your fingertips to press for like 5 seconds, and you hear system resets. Okay. All right, let's go into setting it up. So on this page, you will see it. You have a add device button here. Then at times it will be in front, it may be topmost right top. Anywhere it's located, you just see your add device. Then you click on the